Small rig, small rig, small rig. You have failed me. Hi, hello, my name is Twin, this is Pineville Gamer. So, ang sasabihin ko lang ngayon is nga, small rig has failed me. At bakit? It's actually because of this one. Ito, this is a kind of a tripod nila. So, majority naman ang binibili ko sa small rig. Okay naman. Majority ng stuff, they're fine. And I'm really happy with it. As in, yung mga ibang, marami sa mga products na bili ko, gusto ko naman. Meron ako yung mga cage, meron ako yung mga, yung quick release, stuff, yung mga attachments. Marami ako nabili sa kanila and na wala akong issue. Most of them are fine. Pero, bumili ako nito sa kanila. This is a tripod. This is yung windproof tripod nila. It's not even a tripod. It's a quad pad. Kasi apat ang paa niya pag inopen up ko siya. Mili ko to nung November. Just a few months ago. Wala pang 3 months. Kinuha ko to kasi ang primary function niya is yun nga, gusto ko siya kasi mahaba yung ano to. It's almost 2 meters high ang length. Malaking bagay sa akin yun kasi pag pare I'm gonna reach out, pare ang idea kasi nito is makakuha ko ng mga shots na basically hindi reachable ng basta-basta. That is a major factor sa akin kasi I can do pseudo drone shot na kahit wala naman akong drone, makagawa ko ng parang drone shot kasi siya, meron ako kasi matataas ang mga angles makukuha ko. Although I do that on my other, meron akong tripod na it's a light stand na doon ko kinakabit yung camera. So, nagagawa ko naman yun. Pero, ang isang advantage kasi dito, it can also act as kind of a gimbal. Kind of. Not really a gimbal. Pero it's a kind of gimbal. Parang, more of a stabilizer by doing this. Hindi, balik ko pala. Yan, ito. Itong handle na to. So, pag nakaangat yung handle na to, I can hold this habang nakaangat yung camera. So, kuwari angat yung camera. Angat na ganyan. So, dito naka-attach yung camera. Habang nakahawak kong ganun. So, nakokontrol ko siya. Tapos, habang buhat-buhat na ganun, naggagalaw ko siyang ganyan. As long as mahaba to, itong base na to, the more na mahaba to, the more kind of heavier, more stable it is. So, pag ginangat kong ganyan, parang medyo stable siya. And that is helpful. Malaking bagay. At the same time, may kasama siyang remote. Tapos, sa same time, gusto ko rito, mayroon siyang screw. Ayun. So, maraming advantage. Same time, interesting to, is that, meron siyang pang spike or um, bakal na ang trabaho niya is to hold it up in place. Pag kuwari nasa may lupa na pwede mo siya tusok na ganun. Pwede mo siya tusok na ganun sa ground para hindi siya maging masyado malikot. So that really really helps. As in, there are lots of functionalities ito na gustong-gusto ko. Pero immediately na pagkakuha ko sa kanya, it felt flimsy. Na I was kind of worried and na it didn't feel as the same quality as other stuff na nabili ko sa small rig. And gusto ko naman na baka this might be not much of an issue. By the way, magkano ko nabili to? I bought it at 1,329 pesos. Sa multiple things na nagagawa niya, malaking bagay talaga. Very, very, very interesting in what it can do, and it's gonna be more expensive for me to replicate everything na nagagawa nito sa isang device na to. Pero yun, wala pang 3 months at nabali ito. So, less than 3 months nabali siya. So I'm just really disappointed kasi I was really looking forward to keep on using this. Pero immediately sa paggamit ko sa kanya, yun nga, it was flimsy. Yung pangalawang issue ko sa kanya, it does not hold its position pag pataas na pataas. Kaya pag in-extend ko yung length nito, it does not hold its place. Parang medyo umiikot na siya on its own. So, hindi ko siya maasahan on certain situations na kasi magiging top heavy talaga to eh. Dapat nag-hold siya. Dapat pag problema, yun nga, nangyari, kuwari, kuha ko ng shot, biglang iikot itong on mag-isa. As in, sayang yung shot. Lalo na kuwari, ganda-ganda na yung angulo ko, maganda na yun. Biglang iikot siya on its own. As in, it's frustrating kasi kailangan baba ko muna, i-retract ko ng konti, tapos biglang ikot ko muna mag-a-adjust ako sa position ng camera. Tapos titignan ko bakit hindi siya nag-hold. It was really frustrating a bit yung anong nangyari do sa na to, sa tripod na to. Yeah, so that's my disappointment dito. I was really looking forward to really liking this. Pero yun, it just didn't work as well. Pero it will not stop me from buying small rig stuff. Yung mga ibang products pa nila, I still want to try them out kasi maganda naman talaga yung mga ibang products na na-try ko sa kanila. Ito lang talaga yung medyo na disappoint ako so far. And maybe we'll see if sana makagawa sila mas magandang version nito and I might try to get that one. Pero right now, this one in itself, it just failed. It just really failed on me. So yun. So that's gonna be my video. Papakita ko yung alternative ko later on. Gagawa kong ibang video regarding that. Anyway, thank you very much sa mga lahat na nanonood sa akin. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you sa mga subscribers at yung mga nanonood. And we're slowly getting to that 600 subscriber point. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate all of you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Ayan. Anyway, sige, that's gonna be my video. Thank you very much. You guys take care, and bye-bye.